first I'm using the Natural Radiance Primer, and I'm using the golden in this because this will help to get that really nice, brilliant radiance that we all want. I'm going to use Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, color NC30. Always start from the center and then work it towards the outer edges. What I also like about Studio Fix Fluid is that you can really build it up and it just stays on. I'm going to add a concealer on top of that. This is the Pro Conceal and Correct palette that I'm using. It has 4 shades of concealer and 2 correctors. You just want to conceal all those shadows and brighten up the center. The good thing about this palette is you can also use it for contour. There's a little bit of a darker shade, 2 or 3 shades darker than your skin tone to contour the face. So right under the cheekbone here, I'm going to use this and blend it. I think that looks quite nice. It just makes the face look flawless. To set the foundation, I'm going to use Studio Fix powder. Now this will not just set the foundation, it will also make your foundation really long lasting. You want to just make sure that the center of the face is nicely powdered. I'm using Mineralized Skin Finish in medium deep to contour her face. Same places where we did the placement earlier. And I'm going to use blush. I'm using shade Melba. It's a nice peachy color, starting right from the apple of the cheek and along the contour. To highlight, I'm going to use Extra Dimension Skin Finish and I'm using shade Oh Darling. Start with a little bit less highlighter and build it up. And we have the skin ready for eye makeup. I'm using Prolong Wear Paint Pot for base for eyeshadow and I'm using Rubenesque. It's a beautiful, this peachy gold color. Just take a big brush and lightly use it all over. And now I'm going to use eyeshadow in Amber Lights. I'm using it onto the inner corner, blend it towards the center. I want that really nice gold on the lid. I also want the eye to have a nice shape. So I'm using eyeshadow in Embark on the 1/4 and the outer edge of the eye. You want that little smokiness that comes into the corner. I'll move on to putting kajal in the eyes. I'm going to use kohl pencil right onto the waterline and just go into smaller strokes and you get that black line from inside and outside. I'm going to smudge the line with Embark eyeshadow. That makes it nice smoky. To do precise eyelining, I'm going to use Prolong Wear Fluid Line Gel Eyeliner and I'm using Black Track. Just a thin line and take it out. Really make the eyes look intense. So I'm going to use a number 36 lash because I want the eyes to look nice and dramatic. So I've already applied lash glue and I'm just sticking it on. I'm also using a waterproof mascara, Hot and Naughty Waterproof Lash, and this gives a lot of volume. So I'm just going to go and blend the lashes with this. I'm going to use a pigment on top of that, which is Melon, to make it even more gold. And see, it just adds that nice shimmer. To fill in the brows, I'm going to use Spiked Brow Pencil and start filling in the gaps, and I'll brush it again so that the lines are blended again. And now I'm going to use my highlighter with Rice Paper eyeshadow. Just take it a little bit on a brush and use it right below the arch here, just very little. Same thing on the other side. Just a little bit right under the brow here. And there we have beautiful eye makeup ready. And now I'm going to move on to the lips. I'm going to fill the lips with a Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Feel So Grand. Really easy to apply and it stays on, so it's really long-lasting lip color. And I'm using Cherry Lip Liner. Just go right over to the edges and perfect the shape of the lipstick. And that's the lip. And she's looking gorgeous.